Across our planet, an incredible spectacle unfolds. Animals of all shapes and sizes embark on epic journeys. These journeys are called migrations. Animals migrate for many reasons. They might travel to find food, they might seek a safe place to raise their young, they might be escaping harsh weather. Imagine a wildebeest crossing a rushing river. Picture a tiny hummingbird flying thousands of miles. Think of a giant whale swimming across an entire ocean. These are just a few examples of the amazing journeys animals make. Animal migration is one of the most awe-inspiring events in nature. It reminds us of the incredible power and resilience of the natural world. In this journey of discovery, we will explore the wonders of animal migration. We will learn why animals migrate and the challenges they face along the way. Why do animals go on these incredible journeys? The answer is simple: survival. Animals migrate to find the resources they need to live. One of the main reasons for migration is food. In many parts of the world, the amount of food available changes throughout the year. For example, in the Arctic, there is plenty of food during the short summer. But in winter, the land is covered in snow and ice. Animals like caribou must migrate to warmer places to find food. Another reason for migration is breeding. Many animals need to find safe places to give birth and raise their young. Sea turtles travel thousands of miles to lay their eggs on the same beaches where they were born. Finally, animals migrate to escape harsh weather. Many birds fly south for the winter to avoid the cold. They return north in the spring when the weather is warmer. Not all migrations are the same. Each journey is unique, shaped by the needs and behaviors of the species undertaking it. There are many different types of migration, each with its own unique characteristics and challenges. Some animals migrate seasonally, while others migrate only once in their lives, embarking on a journey that defines their existence. Seasonal migration is the most common type of migration, driven by the changing seasons and the need for food and suitable habitats. This is when animals move from one place to another at the same time each year, following a predictable pattern. For example, many birds migrate south for the winter to escape the cold and find food, and then return north for the summer to breed. Another type of migration is called reproductive migration, which is crucial for the survival of many species. This is when animals migrate to specific breeding grounds, often traveling great distances to ensure the next generation's survival. Salmon are a famous example of reproductive migration. They are born in freshwater rivers but migrate to the ocean to live most of their lives, growing and maturing in the vast marine environment. When it's time to reproduce, they return to the same rivers where they were born, overcoming incredible obstacles to reach their destination. Some animals migrate in search of resources that are unpredictable, moving as needed to survive. This is called nomadic migration, a strategy that allows animals to adapt to changing conditions. For example, wildebeest in Africa follow the rains to find fresh grazing land, ensuring they have enough food throughout the year. No matter what type of migration it is, one thing is clear: animals are constantly on the move, searching for the resources they need to survive, and their journeys are a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life on Earth. Birds are perhaps the most well-known migratory animals. Their journeys can be incredibly long and arduous, pushing their physical limits. One amazing example is the Arctic tern. This small bird breeds in the Arctic and then flies south to Antarctica for the winter. This round trip can be over 40,000 kilometers, the longest migration of any animal. Birds navigate using a variety of methods. They can use the sun, the stars, and even the Earth's magnetic field to find their way. They also have an incredible memory for landmarks. Bird migration is a vital part of the global ecosystem. Birds help to pollinate plants and control insect populations. Their migrations connect different parts of the world. Section 5. On Land and Sea, Amazing Animal Migrations. Birds are not the only animals that undertake incredible migrations. They are joined by a multitude of other species, each with their own unique journey. Mammals, fish, insects, and even reptiles migrate across vast distances. These migrations are often driven by the need for food, breeding, or more favorable climates. On land, one of the most spectacular migrations is that of the wildebeest. This journey is a perilous one, fraught with dangers from predators and the elements. Every year, over 1 million wildebeest migrate across the Serengeti plains of Africa in search of food and water. This epic trek is one of nature's greatest spectacles. This mass movement is a sight to behold, with the thundering hooves of the wildebeest shaking the ground. The sheer number of animals involved is truly astonishing. In the ocean, whales migrate thousands of miles between their feeding and breeding grounds. These gentle giants of the sea undertake one of the longest migrations of any animal. Humpback whales, for example, feed in the cold waters of the Arctic and Antarctic during the summer. Their feeding grounds are rich with krill and small fish. Then they migrate to warmer waters to breed and give birth. These warmer waters provide a safer environment for their newborn calves. These are just a few examples of the incredible diversity of animal migrations. Each species has its own unique path and purpose. From the smallest insects to the largest whales, animals are constantly on the move, reminding us of the interconnectedness of our planet. Their journeys are a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life on Earth. Section 6. A Changing World, Climate Change and Its Impact. Climate change is having a profound impact on animal migration. As the planet warms, many species are being forced to move to new areas in search of suitable habitats. As temperatures rise and weather patterns become more unpredictable, animals are facing new challenges. These changes are disrupting the delicate balance of ecosystems. One of the main ways climate change is affecting migration is by altering the timing of migrations. This shift can have cascading effects on the entire ecosystem. For example, some birds are arriving at their breeding grounds earlier in the spring because of warmer temperatures. This early arrival can disrupt their breeding cycles. This can be a problem if the insects they rely on for food are not yet available. The mismatch in timing can lead to food shortages for the birds. Climate change is also affecting the availability of food and water along migration routes. Animals are finding it increasingly difficult to locate these essential resources. Droughts are becoming more common in many parts of the world, making it difficult for animals to find the resources they need. This scarcity of water and food is a growing concern. These challenges are making it more difficult for animals to survive their migrations. The harsh conditions are pushing many species to their limits. Scientists are working hard to understand the impacts of climate change and to find ways to help animals adapt. Their research is crucial for developing strategies to protect wildlife. Section 7. Protecting the journey's conservation efforts. Protecting animal migration is essential for the health of our planet. Migratory animals play vital roles in their ecosystems, and their loss would have ripple effects throughout the natural world. There are many things we can do to help protect animal migration. One important step is to reduce our impact on the environment. Climate change is one of the biggest threats to migratory animals, so reducing our carbon footprint is crucial. We can also support organizations that are working to conserve migratory species and their habitats. These organizations are involved in a wide range of activities, from protecting breeding grounds to reducing pollution. Finally, we can educate ourselves and others about the importance of animal migration. By raising awareness about this incredible phenomenon, we can help to inspire others to take action to protect it. Section 8. Conclusion: Our Shared Journey. Animal migration is a testament to the incredible power and resilience of the natural world. For millions of years, animals have been making these epic journeys, connecting different parts of our planet. But today, these migrations are facing unprecedented challenges. Climate change, habitat loss, and other human activities are putting these incredible journeys at risk. It is our responsibility to protect these migrations and the animals that depend on them. By working together, we can ensure that these incredible journeys continue for generations to come. The future of animal migration, and indeed the health of our planet, depends on it.